Changing your Facebook page name is simple, but you need to follow the right steps to avoid confusion. Let's get started. First, open Facebook and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Make sure you're on your page's profile, not your personal one. From there, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Page Setup option and select it. Here, you'll see various settings related to your page, including the Name section. Tap on it, and you'll be able to enter a new name for your page. Keep in mind that Facebook has certain guidelines for page names, so make sure yours complies. Once you've entered the new name, review it carefully, as you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. After confirming, Facebook may take some time to approve the change. If the request is denied, it's usually because the new name doesn't meet their policies. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.